In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a GIF in Google Chat. If you've ever wanted to add a little personality or emphasis to your messages, GIFs are a quick, fun way to do it. In just a few moments, you'll know exactly where to find the GIF option in Google Chat and how to send the perfect reaction without any confusion. First, open Google Chat. You can use the web version in your browser or the mobile app on your device, whichever you prefer. Give it a second to load so everything in the chat window is ready to go. Next, open a conversation or a space. A conversation is a direct message with one person, while a space is a group area for team discussions. Choose the person or space you want to message, so you're looking at the correct message box at the bottom of the screen. Now, look for the emoji icon in the message box. It's the small smiley face that sits right where you type your messages. Click it to open the picker. This panel includes your standard emojis, but it also gives you access to GIFs. Inside that panel, select GIF. This switches the picker from emojis to animated images. Once you're in the GIF view, you'll see trending options or categories, depending on your device and interface. From here, you can search or choose a GIF. If you know what you want, type a keyword like celebration, thanks, or great job into the search bar to find a matching animation. If you're browsing, scroll through the suggestions and pick one that fits your tone. Short, descriptive keywords usually return better results, and it helps to think about the mood you want to convey: excited, supportive, funny, or calm. When you've found the right one, click the GIF to send. Google Chat will place that GIF into your conversation and share it with the person or group immediately, so make sure it's the one you want before you click. If you don't see the GIF option, it might be due to your organization's settings or an outdated app. Try updating Google Chat, switching to the web version, or checking whether your workspace has restricted GIFs. Also, keep it professional when you're messaging colleagues. GIFs are great for tone, but choose ones that are clear, relevant, and appropriate for the audience. And that's it. Open Google Chat, open your conversation or space, click the emoji icon, select GIF, search or choose what you need, and click to send. Thanks for watching, and enjoy bringing your chats to life with the perfect GIF.